Hello students, so in that video we have to see how to apply a load in our structure. Means there are different types of loads in our structure that we have seen in our previous session, just like a dead load, live load, wind load, seismic loads, or any environmental loads. Then how to put that loads on our building is now we can see. So for that, just go for analyze. In analyze tab you can see there is a one structural analytical model. In that you can see one option as a load. Now I'm selecting this one. Here you can see four options, just like load cases, load combination, boundary conditions, and load scaling. Suppose I selected load cases. In that you can see different types of loads are given, like dead load, live load, wind load, snow load, roof load, accidental load, temperature, seismic. If you want to add any load here, you can just add from here or delete from here. In that same, this is also like dead load. In case number 1 2 3 4, there are the case numbers. What is the nature of the load? Means DL1 means dead load, LL1 means live load, and the category here, just like that. In load combination you can add the loads, just like suppose dead load plus live load plus wind load, or dead load plus wind load plus seismic load, that you can add the loads, their formula, just like that. In some conditions we have to give some factor of safety, or for the combinations there is one formula for that. You can put this from here. What is the type, from where it was belong, because what is the state, and what is the use, that kind of different you can add. And what is the factor of the combination, you can also add from here. This is the boundary conditions. Means how what is the type of your load. Suppose fixed load, pinned load, means in beams or in slabs there are the different types of loads available. Fixed means at board and fixed, pinned means pinned or hinged, roller load. There are two types of roller and double loader. So just like that you can assign from here. And that is the load. Like suppose varying load, there are the 3 4 types of load, like point load. Varying loads means UDL or UVL. That how it would be scaling, or what is the uh, how to load apply. That is the some structural settings are given. Okay, so you can set this and simply okay. This is also the same, like load cases, load combination. Just like you can do the settings of your load and go to loads. And if you want to give a point load, add point load and add to our columns, beams, footings. If you want to add line load, you can add line load. And if you want to apply a load on slab or whole area, you can apply from area load. Just like that, by the calculations you need to find the loads and apply on your model. uh, Hence, just like that you can add the loads and the load combination on our structure. Thank you.